Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Adidas RPD 01. You can you can play and pause the song by pressing a middle button on your headphones. So now I play the song, and if I press again, I will pause the song. Cool. Now you can increase the volume by using volume up button right here. Here we go. And you can lower the volume by using volume down button right here. Here we go again. And we did it. Now you can play next song by pressing 2 times on a middle button. Here we go. And if you press 3 times, you will play previous song. And again. Here we go. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 1 time on middle button. And you can reject the call by pressing 1 time again. Here we go. And if someone called to you, you can reject the call by pressing 2 times on middle button. Let's check it. Here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!